Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mufakirah. I'm from English Literature 6B. In here, I want to tell you about descriptive text. Definition: descriptive text. Description paragraph is a paragraph that has the aim of given the writer an impression on an objective event, either place that the author went to convey other technically. Descriptions if descriptive text descriptive text is a text that aim to describe something. Usually, descriptive text is characterized by the use of a simple present tense and focus on one the specific objects. Usually, descriptive text is characterized by the use of a simple present tense and focus on one specific object. The object is the discussions in the title in the descriptive text.
To descriptive text, descriptive text structures can be divided into parts in identification and description. This something can take the form of anything, be it a person, animal, objects, location, and so on.